Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a data analysis tool with Tableau, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your project requirements. Identify the data you want to analyze. Choose the appropriate Tableau product for your needs. If you don't already have Tableau, download the latest version from the official website. Install Tableau by following the on-screen instructions. Open Tableau and connect to your data source. Select the appropriate connection type based on your data. If using a file, browse to locate the file on your computer. If using a server, enter the necessary credentials to connect. Once connected, you can view your data in Tableau's data pane. Drag and drop fields from the data pane into the workspace. Use the Show Me panel to explore different visualization types. Start creating your first visualization by selecting relevant fields. Experiment with different charts to see which one conveys your message best. Use filters and parameters to refine the data displayed. You can also combine multiple visualizations into a dashboard. Arrange your visualizations in a way that enhances user understanding. Customize the dashboard by adding titles, text, and images. Explore the formatting options to make your visualizations more appealing. Once you are satisfied with your dashboard, save your workbook. To share your dashboard, consider publishing it to Tableau Server or Tableau Online. Enter the necessary details for your server or online account. Publish your workbook and specify the permissions for access. Consider exporting your visualizations as image files or PDFs for offline use. Regularly update your data connections to ensure real-time insights. Finally, seek feedback to make improvements on your dashboard. Use insights gained to iterate on your analyses and visualizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.